Hello, sweet love, and welcome to this guided meditation. I celebrate you for creating this time and space for yourself today. If you haven't done so yet, I invite you to find a comfortable position and to first start looking around in your space. What is with you here? What can you notice? And if it feels safe for you, you can now softly close your eyes and turn inwards, otherwise keeping a gentle gaze on a point in front of you. I invite you to take a few deep in and out breaths here, breathing in through your nose and sighing it all the way out through your mouth at your own pace. Becoming aware of the air flowing in through your nostrils and softly caressing your mouth as it flows out again. Simply noticing that, bring awareness to it. And then softly, whenever you're ready, coming to an in and out breath through your nose. Noticing if there is any part of you asking for your attention. Any part of your body wanting to be seen or heard. Perhaps even wanting to tell you something. Allowing yourself to observe. And perhaps you've been moving through some busy days, or even weeks, months, holding on to everything, making sure that all is taken care of and all is well. Maybe you had to be places, people expecting things of you. Maybe everyone else came first, always taking care. Barely any time left to take care of yourself. And I know that you're trying. You're doing all that you can, and the fact that you showed up right here and right now, that is worth a celebration. And now the time has come to reassess perhaps what you need, what you wish to keep in your life, and maybe what wants to be released for you to be held in safety. Because you deserve that too. And I invite you to imagine now that you are seated somewhere in nature on the earth, and that there is perhaps a strong, big tree right behind you. Or maybe it's a person holding you. Perhaps you're even seated against a rock. Let it be something you can lean onto, lean back on, relax, and surrender into. Just visualize yourself sitting there, allowing yourself to rest in their arms, to relax with the earth carrying you both beneath you, allowing a feeling of safety and softness to wash over you with every breath you take. Simply bathing in this love and tenderness. And again, visualize how the person or nature holds you so strongly, with so much love and care, similar to how you do that for everyone else, sweet love. And now you're finally receiving this. Become aware of how you are held by Mother Earth. She's carrying you both. And she is inviting you to let go. To let go of anything you do not need. To give it over to her. For her to transform. Perhaps you want to visualize how with every exhale, you release into the earth what you do not need. She will take care of it. You do not need to carry it all alone. Take some time here to release it all into the earth, becoming lighter and lighter with every exhale, surrendering more into their arms. Sweet love, let this be a reminder that you don't have to carry the burden. You deserve to put yourself first, to take care of yourself and to be taken care of. You are safe to release and rest, to find stillness and surrender. You are being carried. You're always carried by her. And you can always come back to her whenever you need. And with that, if it feels right for you, I invite you to repeat the following mantra for yourself. I am held and safe to surrender. I am held and safe to surrender. I am held and safe to surrender. I don't need to carry it all alone. I release and let go. Maybe you want to answer the following questions to yourself. What do I need right now? How can I set boundaries accordingly? How can I support and nourish my mind, body, and soul today? Perhaps you want to pause here, take a moment to think about that or journal. Take however much time you need. And whenever you are ready, you can softly flutter your eyes back open, coming back into your own space. I truly hope that this meditation has brought you some softness and peace. May you feel grounded and nourished today. It would mean the absolute world to us if you would take just a second to like and subscribe and comment what you think about this meditation, perhaps sharing it with a loved one. You make such a big difference by doing that. May every day become a chance to ritualize your life. Until next time, sweet love.